First of all, let me wish all mothers happy Mother's Day. Today is a special day for all mothers, all ladies, all women. So, today being Sunday, if you are a mother doing the watching, then happy Mother's Day to you. We are Forex traders, and every week we try to look at certain things surrounding our Forex market and be able to possibly give you some forecast that you will need to look at as the market begins or the week begins with a new trading week. So this week, this is Leading Forex YouTube channel or Leading Forex live Facebook page you're watching. I don't know where you're watching me from, whether on Facebook or on YouTube. So wherever, if this is your first time of meeting us on Leading Forex YouTube channel or our Facebook page, we want to share something new with you. We know you've been a Forex trader for some time now, but what we want to share with you might be new, or you might have not come across that before. So it might be new to you. So we want you to stick and stay and listen to what we have for you and try that in the course of this week, okay? And see how the market will turn out with whatever information we want to share with you. I'm Kofi, the admin for Leading Forex. I've been a Forex trader for 3 years. I'm in my 4th year. And Forex has been both up and down. Sometimes a lot of losses, sometimes a lot of wins. And the most important thing is that as a trader, your focus should be the wins. If the wins are more than the losses, then you know you have found something good. Okay? The journey to becoming a successful trader is not always win, win, win. Sometimes the losses will come. So when the losses come, you need to keep yourself calm and review, find out what has been the cause of it. And then you learn something new, which will help you improve with your trading strategy or your trading plan. So this week, I want to share something on some currencies that I foresee them going certain ways. So I want you to take note of those currencies. Generally, we want to look at NZD, the New Zealand dollar, and then the AUD, the Canadian dollar. So, Australian dollar, sorry. AUD is an Australian dollar. So this week, I'm foreseeing these currencies giving us some profit somewhere. So which currency pairs would you want to trade with to be able to give some benefit or profit? I have some 4 currencies I'm going to give out for you to look at this week, okay? And one of them is GBP AUD. GBP AUD, I'm foreseeing a buy for GBP AUD, okay? GBP AUD, a buy for GBP AUD. And this is what we're going to do. We're going to have a ratio of 1:2. And the 1:2 ratio, if you have ever come across it, the 1 stands for losses and then the 2 stands for wins. So it means if you want to enter into the forex market and you have a ratio of 1:2, it means that your losses must be less than your wins if you are about to enter into any trade. If the trade is to give you, let's say, 100 pips, then of course your losses should be around 50 pips. So if you are losing 50 pips for 100 pips, then it means you have a ratio of 1:2. If you are losing 10 pips to make 20 pips, then your ratio is 1:2. If you are losing 20 pips and then with a target of making 40 pips, then your ratio is 1:2. So this week, I want us to have a ratio of 1:2. So when the market opens, I would like you to trade these currencies maybe on your demo, since this might be the first time. But those of you on my channel, the Leading Forex Telegram page, you know what is happening there. So I want you to try this on demo. And then by the close of this week, you'll have a great idea as to what to do whenever we come again with some of this analysis and forecast. Okay, so this week, GBP AUD, I want us to give it a target of 200 pips. Okay, a target of 200 pips. So if a target of 200 pips, then it means that our loss or our stop loss will be about 100 pips. Okay, so currently as I speak, the market is sitting at GBP AUD is at 1.90012. 1.90012. That is where the market is sitting now, as at the time the market is closed today. So when the market opens and you want to buy GBP AUD, give it a target of 200 pips. Your TP should be 200 pips. So if I will use this price to give you a TP, then it means your TP is going to be around 1.92012. If I'm to use this price to give you a TP, then it means 200 pips will be 1.92012. So that might be your TP. Okay, so 200 pips. So if you are to look at a stop loss, then your stop loss should be minus 100 pips. Okay, your stop loss should be minus 100 pips. That is GBP AUD. Now, I want us to look at another currency pair, which is Euro AUD. Euro AUD. Euro AUD, as we speak, is also looking very strongly for a buy. Euro AUD for a buy. So I would like you to give that trade to 200 pips. And currently the market is sitting at Euro AUD is at 1.65980. 1.65980. So if you are to give it a 200 pips TP, then that might be around 1.67980. That is if you are to go by this price. And so don't forget the ratio of 1:2. So if you are targeting 200 pips, then your stop loss should be minus 100 pips. Okay, that is Euro AUD. And then also we have another currency we are looking at, which is Euro NZD. Euro NZD too, we are targeting 200 pips. 200 pips for Euro NZD for this week coming. Today is 10th of May. So today being 10th May, Sunday 10th May, if we are targeting 200 pips, that will mean from when the market opens, we will be looking at 200 pips for Euro NZD. So currently Euro NZD is also sitting at a price of 1.76609. 1.76609. So when the market opens and you want to try this on demo, give it a TP of 200 pips. Okay. And then also the last pair we want to talk about is GBP NZD. GBP NZD is also a buy. So all these currencies I'm giving you this week are all buy signals. The reason being that we are foreseeing that NZD and then AUD is going to probably become weak. So if these two currencies are going to be weak, then it means that these two currencies, Euro and GBP, will drive them most. It will be the strong currencies to drive the currencies. So that's why I'm giving these currencies as the tradable ones for the week. So GBP NZD is also currently sitting at 2.02192. That's the price right now. So when it opens, give it a TP of 200 pips. So if it's going to be a TP of 200 pips, then it means your stop loss is going to be minus 100 pips. Okay, so these four currencies, these are volatile currencies. They move a lot. That is why your stop loss should be 100 pips away, and then your TP should be 200 pips away. Okay, I believe strongly these four currencies I have given you will give you some good profits this week. I believe and I have confidence in that. So I know this is your first time you are seeing this, or you are watching me, or maybe you have come across this video. I know you will stick and stay after this video. Just give it a try. Okay, I am not here to show you the charts and to show you a lot of indicators and price action and all that you want to see in order to believe what I'm saying. I don't have that to show you right now, but I have done my work and I know what I am saying. Okay, so if you are looking to see the charts look nice with the drawings and then the lines in order to believe what I'm saying, then I'm sorry you might not be seeing that. But I believe what I'm saying, I know what I'm saying. So just give it a try, because this is your first time of coming to this channel or watching this video on Facebook. So give it a try, put this on try, and after this week you will surely be able to say something. And I'm sure you might be yearning to see or hear me talk again in terms of giving analysis in the forex market. Okay, so this is what I want to share with you. Please, for now, don't subscribe. Okay, don't subscribe. Wait after the week. If you are convinced, then you can come and subscribe to this channel or come and like this Facebook page so that we can do more. Okay, but for now, as to whether you'll be convinced or not, you can't tell, so don't subscribe. But after this week, by Friday, when Friday ends, you should be able to decide whether to come back and subscribe or not to subscribe. My name once again is Legan Kofi, but call me Kofi. I'm the leader of Leading Forex. I'm actually the admin. We have other good traders on that platform. They do their analysis, they trade, they make a lot of money, and that is our aim, to make money together. So we share some of this information for free. So that is how come you have chanced upon this for free. So join us. Let's trade these 4 currencies I've given: GBP AUD buy, Euro AUD buy, Euro NZD buy, GBP NZD buy, and all of them a TP of 100, a TP of 200 pips, a stop loss of 100 pips. That is the ratio of 1:2. I'll see you again by the close of this week, and we will do a review together, and we will all be able to come to terms to understand what we are doing here. Until then, be safe. Coronavirus season, please stay out of trouble. If you have nothing doing, stay indoor. Okay, Forex, you can do it on your phone, or you can even do it on your laptop. So stay indoor, don't go out, and let's trade and make money together. I'll see you again.